is Mark with Right Line Trading. Today is January 13th, 2014. We had another unbelievable day today in the room. We closed it after only about an hour of trading. We called it on account of excess profit. And you can see today we had 4 trades, 3 wins. We only had a scratch loss for -2 ticks. If you don't count the scratch, we now have 13 straight winning trades. We had +19, +19, +9, minus the 2 ticks gave us a net of 45 ticks. This is educational, but educational dollars, 3 contracts, $670 of profit, 5 contracts, $1,000 worth of profit. And let's take a look first at crude oil. Now, crude oil, we missed a gorgeous trade. I did not count this in our total. I was 3 minutes late in getting into the room. And this was a perfect bounce off the 50 for +23 ticks. Normally the room is open right now at this time. This trade occurred at 8:47 Eastern. The room opens at 8:45. I was late by 2 minutes. I missed a 23 tick trade. But then the market came down. Pulled back. And gave us a beautiful power entry short. Gave us no heat at all. Ran 19 ticks. We had a little bit of a squeaker. We had a C candle entry. And this entry was a significant amount off the 15, a little riskier. But you can see that C candles also has a light blue magenta outline, which shows that it has order flow momentum with it. And it came back and gave us about 8 ticks of heat and then ran for 9 ticks. Now this trade that I took, that I was up about a tick or two when I told everybody in the trading room to take it to move the trader to -2. Now it was a power entry. It was a retracement. But it was a shaky up move, and it wasn't a clean retracement. And you can see the move up. The candle was not bordered with in light blue. It didn't have order flow or momentum with it. So it was a shakier entry, and I could tell when I took it. So when it pushed about 2 or 3 ticks in our direction, and then when it started to falter, I just said, let's take this as a -2. It came back and took out the trade. And we had a beautiful trade on the Russell, which I was waiting for basically 5 minutes before the trade set up. And it was this 2-line break of the 50. You can see the candles bordered in pink, which means order flow and momentum is with you. The 50 is down. This is exactly what you're looking for. These have come with a tremendous amount of success. The trade ran down 19 ticks before it took us out. And actually, it came back here to give us another potential entry, except I wanted to stop. That was a momentum signal, a very nice signal right here to take the trade down again. So we had another potential short entry and probably another 19. We had a lot of good opportunities today. But I think when you've got three really, really nice winners like we had. Now, we had a chance really to get five winners. That one that came at 9:47 where I came in late, and that entry I just showed you on the Russell was just really, really nice. But we took 19, 19, and 9 plus 45. That was our scratch loss of minus 2 ticks. Three contracts at 670 educational dollars. Five contracts, 1,000 educational dollars. That is based on crude first target 6 ticks, in which if you trade three contracts, two off, and then your third contract on crude is on a 10 tick trailing stop. Five contracts, three off at 6, one off at 10, and then one off on a 10 tick trailer. On the Russell, it's identical, except your first target is 5 ticks. So close the room at 10:15 after basically an hour and 15 minutes, after an hour and a half of trading. No reason to take any additional risk, and you see how the markets really become very, very choppy. So we got some terrific trades earlier. We had the opportunity to take even more trades, but like I said, once you bag $1,000 on 5 and 670 on 3, I just think it's good money management just to call it. So our 2014 start is really, I mean, we're going to have at least a $10,000 month here. I'm at 10,000, at least $1,000 month on $10,000 month. I'm sorry, I can't think straight. On five contracts and close to a $10,000 month, I think, on three. I have to look at our record, which is posted on the homepage of our website. You can see the link. Open it up. It's going to give you a spreadsheet and give you all the data, tick data, number of wins, number of losses, and everything. So I hope everybody had a great day. Give us a call at 1-855-765-6681, 1-855-765-6681, or www.rightlinetrading.com, or info@rightlinetrading.com is our email address. We're always looking for people. You're more than welcome to come in for a free room trial. See how the software trades. Remember, this is not retrospective. These are all live trades taken in the room, and all of these three winners were called way, way in advance. Everybody was sitting there waiting with their buy limit or sell limit order long before the trade hit, was filled, and ran for 19, 19, and 9. Everybody have a great afternoon.